841, let's fucking go. Okay, so in the system index, we've created Bomseek, which is the seeking amount to different clusters of bomb data, Bombase, which is the base address, the origins of different clusters of bomb data, and const macros by system. The Bomseek constants, there's nothing in here, just monkey wrench macros. In the Bombase constants, we have the central level pack, origin X and Y, and the origin index, which is the one-dimensional version of origin X and origin Y. The origin is going to be at 512, 512, because that's the top left origin of the first pixel of level pack data for the central level pack in our 3x3 grid of level packs. This is the calculation to get the one-dimensional address. So our stuff exists in 2048 by 2048 texture, so multiply by 2048, add the remainder, now we have an index. Okay, down here, data by system. In Bomseek, we have a completely useless lookup table. This is completely fucking useless because the amount that we need to seek to get to the next row of data is always 2048 times 4 in bytes, no matter what room we're in. So this is fucking useless. Okay, down here, monkey wrench macro, wrong namespace. So here's our Bombase mutable data section. And here's a lookup table that only applies to tile size exponent 0. We're going to take the room index and convert it to the data pixel index, the data pixel origin in one-dimensional coordinates for a cluster of bomb data for any given room index. So there's going to be 13 entries. Okay, we have the origin of our central level pack, and then we have the amount we need to seek to get to the next row of 4 rooms worth of data. So each room is 128 by 128, and our texture memory is 2048 by 2048. That's why this amount is what it is. And we have row 0, 4 rooms, 4 rooms, 4 rooms, and just 1 room. So these are the base addresses of our rows of rooms on our data layout. And then right here, we have the base addresses of the first 4 clusters of bomb data for the first row of rooms. Next row of rooms, the base addresses of the clusters of bomb data for those rooms. The next 4 rooms. And then right here, we have the only room on the last row. And then these are monkey wrench macros. And then we're going to take our lookup table, and we're going to fill out all 13 rooms with those values we calculated, and then we should be fucking done. And then we're going to stub in Bomseek function section and Bombase function section here. Okay, like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. I'm out of fucking time. Like and subscribe and follow.